Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 32. How to add Sitelink ad extension. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add Sitelink ad extension, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select All Campaigns and then select Campaigns. Select one campaign from the list. You'll get all these statistics about it. Now select Ads and Extensions and click on Extensions from the top. Now click on View Sitelink Extensions button and select Sitelink Extensions from the list. Then click on Create Ad Extension button. Here you get all the available Sitelink extensions. You can add a new one by clicking on this Add New Sitelink Extension link. Here enter your link text, description, URLs, then click on Save button. So this is how you can add Sitelink extension. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 33. How to add Action extension. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add Action extension, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.